how to use same Snapchat account on two devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to use same Snapchat account on two devices. So now without further ado, let's get started. But before starting anything, let me tell you the truth. Snapchat does not officially allow simultaneous login on two devices. So logging in on second devices may log you out from the first one in some cases, but you can access the account on multiple devices safely using this method. So here what you can do is just open the Snapchat on your second device, and after that you can just tap on login. And after that, you can simply enter your username and password, and Snapchat may ask you to verify your identity via the email or phone. So simply complete the verification, and after that, you can now use your account. So with that, first device may stay logged in or prompt re-login depending on your device and version. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.